In this video, I'm going to be showing you 6 simple exercises to help mobilise the joints and muscles around the neck, shoulders and a little bit from the back. As with all sorts of exercises, always go at a rate and level that you feel comfortable to do so. If at any time you feel any sharp pain or discomfort, always stop. So the first one we're going to be doing is for the neck. Very simply, just standing in a comfortable balanced position with your middle fingers on the seams of where your trousers would be. And all you're going to do is just standing as tall as you can, just looking upwards slightly. You're going to turn your head, looking over one shoulder, to the middle, and to the other shoulder. Now with this exercise you can do as many as you feel comfortable to do, but ideally just trying to keep your chin down and not up to your chest at all. Second one we're going to be doing is tilting your head side to side. Again with the same starting position, all I'm going to be doing here, keep my chin tucked down and keep my face as forward as I can. I'm just going to drop my ear down to one shoulder, bring it up to the centre and down to the other side. Now again, as I'm tilting my head here, I'm hopefully going to be feeling the sensation of pulling sort of this area here. A really great place to practice this is in front of a mirror. What you'll be able to do is to see if your head is turning as you turn your head side to side, or as you turn, are your shoulders lifting or is your body tilting. Third one we're going to go on to is very simple head circles. Where all I do, I place my chin down to my chest and I roll my head round in one direction and then in the other direction. And again, be really careful when I roll the head back here. I don't go back too far or too quickly, and it's expected there's going to be a few clicks or creaks at the back there. Moving on down to the shoulders, what we're going to do, we're going to start with the first exercise, which is a shrug. Very simply, from here, I'm just going to lift my shoulders up to my ears, and relax my hands down, up and down. From there, we're going to go on to some slight rotation, where the same starting movement, my shoulders come up, but rather than bring them down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push my shoulder blades back and together and then down. Shoulders go up, shoulders go back, shoulders go down. And finally, a little bit of rotation just for the back. I'm going to have the same standing position, but if you want, you can bring your feet a little bit wider. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to twist and rotate my head, my shoulders, and I'm going to try and look as far behind me and round as comfortably possible. And I come back round to the centre, and I come back round to the other side. And that takes care of the 6 general mobility exercises. Now with all these you can do as many as you want to. Anything is better than nothing, and the more you do the better. If you have any problems or any questions or you're not sure about any of the exercises, please do get in contact with any of the staff from the exercise referral team or from the Byw'n leisure centres. We'll be more than happy to have a chat with you and get through a sort of a variation or a change that would suit you. Thank you very much.